As per Delhi Public School Grading, our school has got affiliation from our entrance number is 3430618. Our school code is 66736. Now we'll go towards our entrance gate. This is the entrance gate of our school, from where the school gets entered and exits. This is the entrance gate of our school students. From where our administrative work is done. He is Mr. Rahman Ansari, our security guard, who looks after the security of the school. This is our reception area as well as the helping desk, and she is Anupama ma'am, who looks after the department. Ma'am, please. Our fee counter department. So let us visit the place. The work of fee collection is done from here, and it is Mr. Rahul, the in charge. Now we are going to visit the visitors room. So let us come inside. This area is made especially for the parents or the visitors who come to visit the school for personal and as well as professional purpose. Where they come and sit. Now we will visit our management, the chairman and the secretary of the school. So please. Here is our respected chairman, Balji Saluja, and our respected secretary of the school management committee, Mr. Thibasan Singh Saluja. Home Science Lab, it is a newly built department for the students of humanities. So please come and visit. And she is the teacher, Sonal ma'am, for this department, Home Science Lab.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Sola Trignath, and I am a home science teacher.
We are going to visit math lab, okay, for our students. Teacher, Mr. Santosh sir.
Myself, Santosh Kushwaha, is the in charge of maths lab. My qualification is MSc EM, MSc from NIMS University, Jaipur, and BA from Bangalore University, Bangalore.
And this is our lab register.
This is the stock register, and this is containing the all records of maths kit. Materials and date of entry, all records are there in this register. Let me introduce the maths lab. The dimension of maths lab is 25 into 20, that means 700 square feet. And the capacity of this maths lab is about 40 students. And these are the mathematical kits for the senior and junior both sexes. And charts papers already is hanging on the walls, representing the different formulas and addition, subtraction for the junior students. Students have also done some activities and they have learned by the doing. Some charts are also there above the backs, and some in the model that how can we learn mathematics, because it is considered that maths is a very difficult subject. But by the activity we can learn it very quickly, and by doing they can learn very fast. Figures and shapes, and we can represent them and fractions. So this is all about
The best place for the students, that is art and craft. So let us come inside. He is our art and craft teacher, Ansari sir, and she is our Aditi ma'am, who looks after the art and craft activities.
Good morning, sir. I'm Mundir Ansari, art and craft teacher for class 1 to class 8.
These all are made by our student. Just see. These are the handmade portrait. These are the craft, paper cutting craft. This one, cars, hanging walls, and this is sticks house. House made by our students. This is class 8 ice cream sticks used as ice cream stick. Thermocol cutting. And this is our Xmas tree made by our student.
Witness our computer lab. We can say the IT sector. So let us see the class. And he is our charge, Mr. Radha sir, who looks after the computer department. So Radha sir.
Sir, myself Rajakumar, and our computer lab covers 600 square feet. We have total 20 system units, and all are related to Windows 7 and operating system. And we have also internet facility. And there are some wall charts to educate the students about basic concept of computer. And this is stock position of computer lab, in which all items are maintained in very systematic way.
We are going to move towards the musical department, and this is our music classroom. Who looks after the musical classes?
मैं संगीत शिक्षिका हूँ यहाँ, और ये हमारा बहुत सारा म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, जिसमें ये हारमोनियम और ये हमारा कीबोर्ड और ये टेबल, जिससे बच्चे गायन वादन दोनों ही सीखते हैं। और ये हमारा डांसिंग स्पेस है, जिससे बच्चे यहाँ पे डांस करने सीखते हैं।
Girls' toilet, which is very, very hygienic, and she is the wellness teacher, Aditi ma'am. Ma'am, please.
This is uranium.
Our drinking water area for the students, where they will get the hygienic and the pure water for our students. So you can check it. Boys' toilet. So let us see the place. So he is Vinasa, the wellness teacher, who is going to make us visit it. Please. Now we are going to visit our school library. So let us come inside. We have our library in charge, Mr. Pittu sir. So he's going to explain you about our library.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Pintu Kumar Pandey, and my designation is as a librarian. This is our library. Our library area is 1300 square feet. Class 1's Hindi textbook up to senior secondary level. This is Hindi grammar. Up to senior secondary level, English grammar, and from here mathematics up to senior secondary level, and NCERT also. And this is science section up to senior secondary level. This is also here is available NCERT. This section is social science up to senior secondary level, and from here start our all subject reference book. So reference books, story, novels, environmental studies up to senior secondary level. There is NCERT, all subjects, and general science. And from this side, magazines area. 5 newspaper has come, and 25 magazines has come every month. Sitting area. library book accession register. It is clearly designed, and total number of books 3128, and this is library book issue registers.
Visit our physics lab, which is designed for students of secondary and senior secondary. So let us come inside. This is our respected Rahul sir, who is going to explain you in context to lab.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. This is our lab area. I am Rahul Kumar, PhD in physics, in charge of physics lab. This lab contains some chart paper, Newton's law of motion, different kinds of primary cell, and sounds. In this rack that contains battery ammeter, galvanometer, ammeter, voltmeter. This rack contains plane mirror, prism, concave lens, convex lens, concave mirror, convex mirror. Ohm's law apparatus. This is Zener diode apparatus. This is milliammeter, galvamagnet, outside micrometer, compass. This is physical balance, and this is the Newton disc, Young modulus, transistor characteristic apparatus. This is the stopwatch. This is our fire extinguisher box. In this area that contains potentiometer, meter bridge, physical balance, and drawing board. This area contains optical bench and this kinds of cell, electromagnetism. This is our board. This is the Ohm's law and electric resistance, different kinds of cell. The area of our lab is separated in the proper way.
So after visiting our physics lab, we will go inside our biology lab. So please come inside. Senior secondary and secondary students and learn through lab. So here is our teacher, Jitendra sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. This microscope, different type microscope. This contains different type of bone, scissor, and human body. Different type of organ, brain, lungs, stomach, amoeba, monoroot, dicot, and human organs, others, human body, human heart, and test tube, and starfish, and human organs, eye, kidney, ear, and then this stop register. All material are here.
Finally, we have reached to our important lab, that is chemistry lab. So let us come inside and witness the lab. Teacher, Vikas sir, who is going to tell few things about our lab.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vikas. I am the lab in charge of this chemistry lab. We have a capacity of 40 students and an area of 700 square feet. We have different apparatus and material here. We have for conducting different experiments. We have chart paper for theoretical purposes. We have different types of chart. We have chart paper of carbon cycle. We have chart paper of acid, base, and salt. We have chart paper of chemical reaction and its characteristics. We have chart paper for atoms and molecules. We have chart paper of solid and states of matter. This is our material section and chemical section. In this section we have different type of chemicals. We have calcium sulfate, ammonium chloride, magnesium sulfate, copper sulfate, starch. We have formalin, we have nitric acid, we have carbon disulfide, we have calcium chloride, we have NaCl composition, we have distilled water, we have saccharine solution. This is our volumetric flask, this is our measuring cylinder of different volume. This is our water-level measuring cylinder, this is our 250 ml flat bottom flask, this is our round bottom flask, this is our conical flask. We have test tubes, we have funnels, we have vase bottles, we have test tube and test tube holders. We have beaker of 100 ml and so on. These are the registered for this.
These are the vacant classrooms, which are actually constructed for senior secondary students who we have few rooms and come across. So especially these classrooms are made for senior secondary classes, secondary section. So let us first see class 9. So come inside and have a glance at the classroom. So see our respected class teacher of class 9, Nikita ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
We'll say a few words.
I am Nikita Prashad. I am the class teacher of class 9 and my qualification is BA. My designation is TCT, subject economics. The total strength of this class is 27, number of boys is 19, number of girls is 8. The area of this classroom is 500 square feet, and due to this pandemic situation, I am taking online class. Today's class is subject is economics and topic is demand.
For school, class 10. So now we will go and visit the classroom. So come inside. So here we are going to meet our respected class teacher of class 10, Dheeraj sir. So he is going to introduce you to the class.
I am Dheeraj Kumar Jaswal, the teacher of class 10. My designation is DUT. I am the subject teacher of SST and my qualification is BA and BA. There are 25 students in my class. The number of students, the number of boys is 18, the number of girls is 7. And the area of class is 500 square feet. And today my topic is the age of industrialization. And I am taking online class in this pandemic period.
Now this is our academic block, you can see, okay? And this is the sanitizer area where we help the people to fight against COVID-19, and you can see the sanitizer and the masks we distribute to the parents and the students and everybody who comes as a visitor. Let's look our principal chamber. The activity board where we display our activities for the session. This is principal chamber of our school. So let us look at the room. This is where I sit. We will move to nursery class, please. Our class teacher of nursery, Ms. Sanjana Gupta.
My name is Sanjana Gupta and I am class teacher of class nursery. This is the class nursery. This is the play section of our school. These are sitting areas. And the total numbers of students are 11, 7 boys and 4 girls. And today I am taking English classes and topic is alphabet.
Now we are going to visit class 1, please. She is our class teacher of class 1, ma'am Baljit Kaur.
Good morning, sir. I am Mrs. Baljit Kaur. I am PRT teacher and I am BA B.Ed. I am class teacher of class 1 and I teach social studies. Due to pandemic, we are running online classes. So the number of students of my class are 38, boys 28 and girls 10. And due to pandemic, our timing, we are taking our online class from the school and the timing is 9 a.m. to 12 noon. The size of my classroom is 500 square feet.
Okay, let us see the class. Anandita Gupta ma'am.
My name is Anandita Gupta. I am a PRT teacher here and my qualification is BCom BA. I am a maths teacher and class teacher of class 2A. The total strength of this class is 27. The number of boys in this class is 21 and the number of girls in this class is 6. Now due to COVID-19 pandemic, we are taking online classes and the time of our online classes is 9 a.m. to 12 noon. Now I am taking maths class and the topic is after, before and between. The measurement of this class is 500 square feet.
Our staff room area where the teachers do their works.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so this is on the left, it's our assembly area, and this is our sports area, sports and games area, and he is Mr. Mithun Dubey sir, our PTI teacher.
Welcome sir, good morning, myself Mithun Dubey. This is assembly area. This is playground. Okay. Both girls and boys. So, playground area sir. Basketball ground sir.
Sick room. Let us visit our sports room, please.
Welcome sir. This is our sports room and sick room. This is a sports register. This is sports register. This is a sick room. Indoor games. This is cricket equipment. Bats, wickets. Next, athletic event, discus, shot put, javelin.
For transport in charge,
My transport in charge